Broll Smackdown, the August Urban Edition is here, and it's time for those profiles once again. Bracket 2 is coming up right now. Let's get to it.
Oh, I didn't want blue. Let's go green. Sweet.
Caleb S. What a great channel. He has some cool special effects on his channel, but the focus is just stunning and amazing drone footage. Words can't possibly do this justice, guys, so just check the link in the description. It's amazing. Bot is another newcomer to this community, and it is so fantastic to get to know him. I can tell you right now that there aren't a lot of videos on Bot's channel, but the ones that are there are absolutely extraordinary. He does such amazing editing. The first video you'll find on his channel is kind of a time log of all the different cameras that he's used to film with over his time as a filmmaker. He also takes us on a couple of different trips within his videos, and it's really fantastic. You guys really need to do yourself a favor, check it out. The cinematography and vision that he has for his filmmaking is just incredible, and I cannot wait to see what he does next. So check it out, guys. The link's in the description.
What's up? Felt like doing a video today, so we're gonna go look at some creeks and take a drive to see what's flooded and what's not. It might be fun. Check it out.
McGee Films is an over-the-road truck driver who takes us on all sorts of adventures, occasionally with his family. We get to visit all kinds of beautiful and gorgeous places with him on his journey. It's pretty cool to see how an over-the-road truck driver lives and gets to see all kinds of amazing things. I highly recommend that you click the link in the description and check out McGee Films. It's really good stuff, guys.
What's up, guys? I want to show you a little bit of what you'll find on my channel. On this channel, you're going to find that I do a daily vlog. I do product reviews of outdoor equipment, vaping reviews and how-tos, camping, hiking, bushcrafting, and also too, every day I do a 1-hour show where I talk about somebody else's channel.
Oh, Clint Moore, thank you so much for sending in this profile to me. I really appreciate it. But you didn't think you were going to get away without me telling the folks a little bit about my experience on your channel. Guys, you really need to check out Clint Moore. He recently switched over to a daily vlog format. He's just learning the ropes and getting better every single day. His live broadcasts are also just fantastic. So please do me a big favor and click the link in the description and check out Clint Moore's channel. You won't regret it.
And if you've got time, stop by and check me out, see what you think, and I'll see you there.
4 unbelievable and amazing content creators in this bracket. Please, guys, these folks submitted these entries to me so that they could get more eyeballs on their entries. I would really appreciate it if you would go and check out their content. It shows they're trying to be creative and grow as filmmakers, And you should definitely check them out and show your appreciation in the comments. Interact with these folks and get to know them. Every single one of them are amazing creators. And the link is in the description so you can go and see them. So have a great day. Find your adventure, and I will see you in an hour for the live show.